time to rest, little star. Close your eyes and let's float into a magical dreamland together. Twinkle lights across the sky. Moon is glowing way up high. Rest your head and drift away. Dreams will guide you till the day. Can you hear the stars whispering? They're singing just for you. Soft and gentle to carry you to dreamland. Clouds so fluffy drifting near, hugging dreams that feel so dear. Angels hum a lullaby while the moon smiles from the sky. Now you are safe, wrapped in love. With every note, your dreams grow sweeter. Close your eyes, my sleepy friend. Peaceful dreams will never end. Morning sun will shine so bright. Till then, good night, good night. Dreams, little one, sleep tight.